In this lecture series, let's deepen our understanding of revenue share campaigns with another example. This time, we will create a campaign for a SaaS-based company that offers VPN services. First, log into your publisher panel on the brand's platform so we can generate our tracking link. Different companies offer different ways to access this link. Some provide a refer and earn option directly on their website, others have an in-house publisher dashboard where you can log in and generate the link, and in some cases, the tracking link may be shared manually by the company. In this example, we'll be using the publisher panel method to retrieve our tracking link just like we did in our previous video. Once the link is generated, we can proceed to your tracker to establish this revenue share campaign. We'll continue using TrackEar as our tracking tool, as we have done previously. Click on the Create Campaign button and choose the campaign objective as Sale. Then, select the advertiser for whom you're creating the campaign. Next, assign a title to the campaign based on your preference. You can also add a campaign description, which will be visible to both your publishers and internal team. After that, paste the generated tracking link into the default campaign URL field and ensure that you map the correct macros to the brand's parameters, most importantly, the click ID. Finally, enter the preview URL, which is the final landing page where the user will be redirected after clicking your tracking link. Scroll down, and you will reach the most important part of the campaign setup. This is where you define the revenue and payout. Since this is a revenue share campaign, always set the revenue to 100, and then define the payout based on your chosen commission structure. After this, you will see a few additional optional settings, such as campaign visibility. By default, the visibility is set to public, but you can change it to either private or ask for permission, depending on your preference. Below this section, you'll find the option to upload a thumbnail for the offer. Simply click on the Choose File button and select the image you want to use. Scrolling further down, you'll see additional settings such as device targeting and other advanced options. Moreover, you can opt for time targeting, which allows you to set the offer to be active or paused on a specific time or date of your choice. Once everything is done, click on the Create button at the bottom, and the offer will be created instantly. However, we still have a few steps to complete before making our first test conversion. Click on the Settings tab and scroll down to locate the Payout and Revenue Calculation parameter. Set this to Revenue so that the payout percentage is calculated based on the revenue amount received from the advertiser. Next step is setting up the attribution window. Click on the Settings and scroll down to the bottom. It is always recommended to set an attribution window for a company like the one in our example, since this VPN provider offers a yearly subscription. By defining this period, you are instructing the system that any conversions occurring beyond the selected timeframe will be automatically marked as cancelled. Enable the toggle, and enter the attribution window as per your desire. Finally, we are all set to test this offer before making it live. For now, we'll copy the tracking link from your demo publisher, but it is always recommended to perform this test using the test link that you can request from your publisher. Let's open the post-back test tool that we used previously, and follow the same steps to make the test. And here we go, the test was successful. Now, let's copy the conversion ID and check it in our conversion report. Click on Filters, enter the conversion ID, and hit Search. As you can see, the conversion has been recorded successfully, which means we're all set to make this campaign live. Thank you.